the generic volume to model surrounding buildings in your project. Define the volumes both in 3D view or in level views. Set the perimeter nodes with a click. Use the snap intersection nodes for greater precision. Set the direction and type in measurements. Finish the parameter input phase. Then set its height graphically or by typing in the value.